Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how we can create and insert a signature to your emails you sent on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your Gmail inbox, for example via the web version of Gmail, and let me compose and craft a new email by clicking into this button in the top left. And here in your new message window, type in or enter the recipient's email address, the subject, and also the text below. And after that, let me skip to that line here inside that message field to add or to insert my signature here. So what you want to do, guys, is click into that pencil icon here at the bottom, insert signature, and select one of these options. If you have already saved a signature, it will appear in that list here, but you can also go with no signature. If you haven't created any, guys, you may create one by clicking into manage signatures, or simply access your inbox settings by clicking into that gear icon top right and by selecting see all settings. Inside your inbox settings, navigate to general in the top left and scroll down till you get to the signature section here. Here you may go through your signatures, click into them to select them, to edit them, or to remove them. Or if you'd like to create a new one, click into this button here and give it a name like test signature. Click into this button, and once it has been selected, click into that text field to the right to type in your new signature. Like, let me go for instance with the channel name, and after that let me add also something like sent from my Android phone or something like that. So you can add your text signature, and below you will see also these text formatting options. So highlight your text and you may apply these by bold letters or using a different font color, a font style, numbered lists, and so on and so forth. And also, guys, you can also upload an image, like for example the channel logo or something like that, from your device by clicking into this button and use this as an image signature. So that's how you create a signature. Now if you'd like to select it here on that list. And here below, guys, you will see the signature defaults. For example, you may click into that drop-down menu to set up default behavior for new emails, like select no signature or one of your created signatures, to use these for newly created or composed messages, so that on default you may see your selected signature below. Don't forget to save your changes at the bottom, guys, and once it's done, your signature will be selectable here. So let me click into save change here at the bottom, and after that, there you go. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.